All right, today we're going to take a look at an example from your homework exercises. Well, not one that I assigned, but one similar. This is on page 26, 1.33. Um, so the first thing we have to do is make sure we have the data set. So you can go to your data sets in your working directory. And this is chapter 1. And again, we said it was exercise. So you look for EX and then 133, least favorite colors. Okay, so here we have a list of colors and percents. And it wants us to make a bar graph of the least favorite color percents. So I'm going to do a file save as. And in my working directory, I'm going to call this least. And I'm going to save it as CSV. Now, I already did this, so I'm just going to go ahead and replace it. All right, good. Now we go back to R. So I showed an alternative to setting and getting the working directory, and we'll use the file choose. So let's just demonstrate how we can do that. We'll just call this data1, and we'll assign it to read.csv, and we'll do file.choose, open close parentheses. Okay, so when I send this to my console, it's going to open up a window, and I can actually browse for my data set. That's right, it was least. So you just go to where your data set is and go ahead and read it in. And again, if you want to view your data set, just type it in and send it to the console. And again, we can see our table right there. Now, it wants to make a bar plot of the percents. So we could do data1 $. Remember, we're going to pick off the column, and we're going to pick off percents. Percent. Now, that works. But I wanted to introduce you to a new idea as well. If you're going to be working a lot with a particular data set, you can actually use the attach function and attach data1. Once you do that, then R knows that when you reference a column that you're talking about the one from data1. So again, I can see I get the same result now if I just type a bar plot of data percents. Okay, same thing. Now, that's a bar plot, but we want to make it look pretty. So one of the things we want to do is we want to go up and add the names for the column called color. So we'll just call names equals, again, since it's attached, I don't need to use that data1 $. I can just do colors. Okay. And we also notice that obviously the bars are not very wide. So to get those to fit in, we could change the direction of the labels. So we'll use the LAS command and use option 2. Okay. And you can see how those on the x-axis now the categories or the colors are vertical. Then of course we're going to add some color to it. We'll do COL equals rainbow. And I don't know, we'll just put 10 in here. Okay, so we got some colors. All right, of course, we're going to add our main title. Oops. Add our main title. And we'll just call this least favorite colors. And then we'll add a Y label, which will just say percents. Okay, just to give you an idea. And there we go.